Hey everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamming with Yarn with another episode of Deliberate Cooking. Hi. Okay, you guys. I want to welcome you guys back. I want to welcome my new subscribers, my older goodie subscribers. I don't have a name for you guys because I've been noticing people been having names for their subscribers, like my girl, she called her subscribers spirit boosters. And then I don't like the tribe thing because tribe is just like really breaking up and going into sex, little sex, SECT. And I feel like, we have enough division in our life. We don't need that. But it would be nice to have a name like, hi, my, I don't know, it stops there. But maybe you guys can put something in the box below. I was thinking Jamettes, jammers. I don't know. I'm not original. But anyway, let's get started. So I'm making homemade pancakes because I was watching Edna and Edna Worlds, and they seem to eat a lot of pancakes on there. But then I was watching the other day, and she had she was making pancakes. I'm like, you know what? I want some pancakes. The issue always been with me is that you need to have the egg. So you guys know I've been using the egg replacer. This Red Mill's Bob's Red Mill egg replacer. I tried it in the bread. I don't know if I really do believe, I'm sidetracking, I do believe in the bread the yeast is what didn't make it rise. I think the egg was okay. Maybe I needed to add more water, but I'm going to use that here. I have it here, 1 tablespoon. I have my ingredients in here that I'm going to shift, which is the salt, the baking powder, and the sugar. And this is a recipe from All Recipes on YT, and my milk. So I'm going to shift this up, and once I get that done, we'll go to the next step. Okay, so I am back, and I have all my ingredients in here, and I am to mix it up. The salt didn't really mix up. It was at the bottom of the strainer, so I just dumped it in here. So I'm to mix this up really well. And then in the middle, but you know what, before we do that, we need to do the egg because the egg actually needs 1 minute. So with the egg, you need 2 tablespoons of water, which I don't have. I don't know where my, I don't know, seem like items disappear with me. So 1 tablespoon of water with this Bob's Meal. That's 1 teaspoon. And that's 2 teaspoons. And to get that, sorry for the noise, stirred up pretty well. See, I've never really understood this Bob's Meal because I don't remember eggs being that small, So I always seem to add more water to it. Now, because I'm putting this with the milk, I may not see. It says a minute, but that seemed just a little bit, just a little too quick. Okay. So anyway, now that looks more slimy like an egg. Sorry, egg chickies. Okay, still more doughy. Anyway, we're done with that. So at this point, I am to put a hole, make a little well in my flour mixture here. And I'm to put in 1 cup of milk and 1 beaten egg. So here's my milk. I know I didn't put it all. Here's my beaten egg. Okay. Okay, in the middle. 1 cup of milk into the middle, 1 beaten egg, and then 2 tablespoons of oil, which I have some oil left over from the other day sitting out here. Okay, I don't see what I did. Okay. Oh shoot. I actually put that tablespoon of oil in here, you guys. Look what I did. Because I use one of these to keep this covered. And it's right here. So I'm going to have to empty that. That is Cooking Live with Shirley. Okay, so how many, let me pay attention. 2 teaspoons of oil. Oops. Sheesh. That's why I like to have it in a different container. Okay. Too much oil can't hurt it, simply for the fact that it won't be so dry. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna mix. Ooh, it's flying everywhere. I'm gonna mix this up because I really want to get that egg in there. And I'm gonna add some more milk, and I will be back. Let me show you where I'm at this point here. Is that I'm trying to make sure that there's none of the egg lumps in there, or the egg replacer lumps. And I'm glad I didn't put all the oil, all the milk in there in the beginning and left some out, because I didn't need it. So anything that looks like a lump like that, I really want to make sure that it's nice and smooth. See, like right here, I don't know if you guys can catch that. See right there, this lump. This one right here, I'm pretty sure that is the egg replacer. We had our 390, but it smelled like it's burning. Let's see. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, let's whip up maybe, how many more? Maybe 2 more of these. Hey you guys, let's look at the finished product. Fresh pancakes. Does that make any sense? Fresh homemade pancakes. Let's put it that way. Sorry for that noise. And what is left over, enough for maybe 2 more on another day. And I got some milk here, my favorite milk. Let me tell you, this milk is the best milk. It has the cream on the top. You really do have to shake it up. But what's also good about it is you return the bottle and you get $2. And so you know you have to buy 2 anything anyway. So the milk is the price of any other milk. It's about $5, I think, for this milk here. And so right now I have stocked up. This is my 4th bottle because I have not went back to where I purchased it at. So I mean, I literally am paying for my next one with the bottle. So that's a good thing. You don't get that with regular milk that you get from this, you know, just regular milk. So I'm not bad mouthing anything, even though it may sound like it. So I'm going to take this knife here because let's see how this tastes. I'm not a big fan of pancakes, but I did have a taste for them after watching Edna's World. And if you don't know who she is, go check her out because she does a lot of fun things. She go on cruises. They do their girls night, I guess you call it. I think it's on Wednesday. I don't do lives, but I do try to catch up on all her other videos. And she's a great lady. She's fun. She, I think she's doing a fabulous job with her channel, and she's trying to grow it more and more. And she also do custom orders for items like t-shirts and things like that. So go check her out. I'll put the link below. So let's see how this tastes. Now my son purchased this And I can't afford real butter, real syrup anymore. I mean, I used to before a few years ago. But it's ridiculous. So let's try this Log Cabins no high fructose corn syrup. Okay, let's see how. And I'm not being sponsored by any of these, so YouTube understand. I am not being sponsored. Okay, you guys. That's how it looks. So, I don't like the syrup. I like the red one. Too late I put it all on there. I don't think I have any. I don't like that one. I guess I better try to like it. Tastes really good. So maybe instead of spending a whole lot of money on pancake mix, this, I don't know how much it is, what, $8, $5 a box. Take this recipe from all, what is the name of that white channel? Hold on. Here's my recipe, I write it down. From all recipes on YT. Make your own pancakes. Yeah, you can make as many as you want. Just buy a big thing of flour, put it in a container, do your thing. Texture great, tastes great. Don't like the syrup, but anyway, got to deal with it. Presentation, look like pancakes to me. See you guys on the next one. Be good to yourself and eat as healthy as you can, as often as you can, and don't forget to be good to somebody else. If you can do something, do it. Bye bye.